Hi, my name is Melanie Rose, and this is my presentation on the future of the women in Pakistan. The women of Pakistan have long endured mistreatment from the men around them. They are not allowed to go outside without a male family member. They have been denied education. They have been forced to be homemakers and servants to their husbands. Arranged marriage is a cultural custom in Pakistan, and the women are not allowed to choose who they marry. Many young girls are forced to marry before they are 18, some younger than 15. The little girl in this picture was married to a much older man when she was 5. Her father married her off as payment for a murder her uncle had committed. Women have been forced to endure this treatment in the name of religion. The people of Pakistan rely on translation of the Holy Quran to understand how they should live. This causes confusion and allows the people to be misguided. The traditions of their fathers have caused a great injustice for the women of Pakistan, and I feel they are starting to find their voice. Things are slowly getting better for the women in Pakistan. In July 2016, Qandil Balak, I'm sure I said that wrong, was murdered by her brothers in what is known as an honor killing. After Balak's murder, Parliament passed a law closing the loophole for families to protect the murderers. Sadly, many honor killings go unpunished. The laws are slowly changing for the women of Pakistan, but they are changing. Pakistan is going to need more women to be brave and stand up against the government and the men around them for them to truly gain independence. There are many of these women now. They are speaking out against what has happened in the past, and they are slowly moving things forward. The women of Pakistan are strong and are learning their voices matter too. As they use their voices and set examples for the other women around them, they will change the face of Pakistan. Only a few years ago, women could not walk alone in Pakistan, but today they can. Women could not vote. They had the right, but their husbands would not let them. Today they can vote. This is especially important in the federally administered tribal areas where women were treated the worst. In 2018, women who registered to vote in these areas was up 66% from 2013. In 2017, Pakistan instituted a law requiring at least 10% of the vote be women to legitimize the count for each district. The women of Pakistan have come a long way since 1947, and they have a long way to go. I see the women of Pakistan learning they have a voice in changing Pakistan for their daughters and granddaughters. Many of these women are working now, working hard behind the scenes. Women like Bibi Raj, who is a principal of Outliers Girls' School in Minawar. She was setting an example to the girls at her school because she has a master's degree in education. Principal Raj believes all girls should go to school and finds it challenging to keep the girls there and not leave for marriage when they are 15. Bibi Farman works as a carpenter. She is proud to learn new skills and be able to contribute to her family and build her confidence. Gulaldi Ismail is a women's rights activist that founded an organization, Aware Girls. She founded this organization because she was treated poorly when she was young. This organization aims to educate women and combat violence against them. The biggest obstacle the women of Pakistan are going to have to overcome is themselves. Many women have been told all their lives that this is what Islam is, and that they have no right to question it. Who told them this? Why do they feel they don't matter? If the women of Pakistan unite, the women who are already fighting for their rights and the women who don't think they have any, they will change the way women are treated in Pakistan. This change will bring more confidence to the women of Pakistan, allow them to work equally with their husbands, and allow Pakistan to rise out of poverty. The women of Pakistan have shown they are strong. When they choose to make these important changes, they won't just change Pakistan, they might just change the world. I hope you enjoyed my presentation. Here's my resources and my image sources. Thank you for watching.